192?
Yeah.
Alright, let me check out your crew. Let me check out your crew for the 192.
So I had this random, but I had no clue is. I had Griezmann and Salah, and I have forward 94, midfielders 93, and defenders 90. 2 Spain players, 3 French players, and 2 Brazil players. And I also got Icon. I got Henderson. I don't know his name, but I know him. I got Martial, Julio, Tante, and Zambretta, and I have no clue who that goalkeeper is. And I'm going to try to do something, but the reason why I didn't play the sky is because Tante is Odolon Tante, so I decided to play him. And then, the really reason why I picked Gomez at the play in the starting lineup because he won't link up with him, and then we get 97 Chem. But I'm going to try to put Messi and see what happens. Okay, we still get that 100 Chem, but it's 92 rating. Did you like my draft?
Yeah, it's cool. So, check out what you got.
For what?
We just wanted a cool intro to do your box opening here. To incorporate your soccer, but we got this today at what store? It's Sugar. It's Sugar, an American Dream. So, move your computer, bud.
But it's not really sugar.
No, move the computer off the table, bud.
Oops.
Daddy has 2 of his former students managing there, too. Alright, let's do a box opening. Go.
Okay, now I'm attempting to open it. But that's it, I won't open it.
Alright, so just, I never said what the box was. Hold on a second. Unwrap to discover 21 pieces of different fidget toys.
Whoa.
Oh, it opens like that?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a huge blind bag.
So I'm going to do one by one so I don't want to a needle. So I'm going to put this close by. Pick one random one.
I can't see it anymore.
Okay, first we got...
Oh, I see, because they're all... Alright, so we're going to open all 21 of these. And then just leave them out there, okay?
Okay.
Let me see too.
It's really sad. It feels like I didn't get hands.
It's cool. Alright. Get the second one.
Oh, there's a mini Rubik's Cube.
Oh, that's cool. Cool, a little Rubik's Cube.
Now this one I think is like...
We have 2?
This one is... I think it's like a ring on your hand.
Oh yeah, yeah it is. It's like a little ring. Alright, hold on. Alright, go for another one.
I'm kind of with a poppet. Still poppet.
Looks like you're taking out something big there.
Well, it's a rainbow poppet.
Oh, that's cool. Rainbow Poppet. Alright, well that's number 4. We're making sure they put 21 in here, righty?
Yep. Oh, it's like a mini poppet.
Open it up. Looks like some French toast or something. You got it?
No.
No, hold on. Alright, so we got that one open. Another little guy. So we're up to what, 4? 5?
5.
Alright, go for number 6.
Whoa. Pink.
Just straw?
Yeah.
Cool.
These bigger one.
What else you got in there? Oh, a fidget spinner?
Yeah.
Open that up.
But it has like the little things like these things.
Let's check it out.
This one I really wanted.
You wanted that?
Yep.
You think all these boxes have the same thing?
No, they only don't. And then wait, and then you can just pop these.
Can I see? Oh, that's cool. Cool. Don't peek.
Please be a soccer ball.
Soccer ball.
Oh.
What's that?
8, 10, I don't know what it really has this one of these. Peekaboo.
Oh, let me see. Oh, that's cool. Peas in a pod. Oh, he's got a little smiley face.
I know.
That's cute. Oh, where's that guy's face? On your side?
No, wait, he doesn't have a face, that one?
Oh, only the middle
Some
guy.
don't have a face.
Oh, peas in a pod. That's cute.
Okay.
What else?
Peep inside the ball. I always wanted this one. I
Oh.
told my dad in the beginning that I really wanted this one.
Oh, that's the maze. That's where you have the little secret compartment inside.
Yeah. But then I wish I took him in the soccer ball one.
That's where Joe put your $20. Is that just a maze, or it has a secret compartment?
Let me see.
Oh, it's just a maze.
Yeah.
Let me see.
No, I'm pretty sure it has a secret compartment. Pretty sure it does.
I don't
I'm
know.
sure.
All right, well that's cool.
I crossed the line after the video. Oh, we got purple one of these.
To go along with the yellow one. Let's check out what we have so far.
You got.
In case anyone's coming on a video late here.
What is this? It's like a.
Oh, that's a bracelet too, I guess.
Yeah.
Let me see.
So you can use soccer ball.
Oh, these are cool.
begging. I'm really begging.
All right, go back in.
Ooh.
What is that? Are they all loose?
No.
Oh.
It's transparent, that's one.
Oh, I see. You're right. It is transparent. Good word. Good thing Napoleon's not here. I thought they were loose. He might eat those.
I have a little.
All right.
I really want the soccer ball maze.
Ooh. All right, open that up.
Okay, let's see. Oh, this is so cool. Wow.
Oh, that is cool.
It has
I
no
like this one the best so far.
Really? My favorite, I would say, is probably that one too. And then next coming after that, it would definitely be this one.
Cool. Next.
Please. What the heck is this? Oh, it's like you just do this. I've never seen this one before.
Can I see?
Yeah, here's the hand.
Oh, that's cool. When I was in space camp a long time ago, I went on one of these.
Ready?
Well, it didn't have this many axes, but it was a multi-axis trainer, and I spun around in it.
Okay. We got another fidget spinner.
What is that?
There's
A
another.
brown one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a cool one. Can I see?
So we got
That's a
1,
cool
2,
one.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14 of them? All right, let's go. Go back in.
Yes!
Oh, there it is. That's what he's been waiting for.
So,
Oh, there it goes.
so it's all scrambled up, and you gotta match them all. For this one's empty, so you gotta put. Whoa,
Wait, what are you moving around?
there we go. And then yeah, I'm trying to match all these balls, and then where they go. It's amazing.
You just push it in?
You know,
Oh, you roll it over?
Yeah, but it has to be in the right one.
Oh. Oh, this is pretty cool, actually.
I know.
Kind of hard to do with one hand, though. Alright, I like this one. Oh, it fits perfectly right there. Next.
Ooh.
Alright, what you got? Let me see.
People, what is that? Oh, it's.
Oh, you bring the 2 suction cups together?
Yeah.
That's cool. I think I permalated here then. That's a unique one. I like that.
Next up we got and then the marble inside. I'm gonna hit it out of this.
This looks like a shark egg. Whoa.
Daddy.
Oops. Some sharks, they call these like a mermaid's purse.
Ready?
Yeah. That's pretty cool. How many are left?
3. And I found 2 small ones I just want to show at you real quick. They're very, very small. So we got another one of these. I'm glad I pulled out already.
Another shark egg?
Yeah.
Alright.
And I got this thing. So that's the, oh, there's one more in here then. We also got
This the last thing?
No, there's one more thing. We got the ring
Oh,
again.
well, that one's cool.
To finish it off. Ryan. I think it's gonna sit when I finish it off.
This is the last item?
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah. Oh wait, I want to count it. This is the aspect 21. Oh, we have stamps, not 20.
Let's see.
Okay. It's like a Rubik's Cube.
This one's cool.
Okay. Well, let me see.
Alright, count them up. Alright, so you verified it. There actually were 21 items in there, right? E?
Yes, there were.
So hopefully you like the E's draft and the opening of the Mystery Fidget Box. Alrighty, what do you say?